Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete Google search history from my activities. So go ahead and open Google, and once you're here, click your profile at the top right. So make sure you're logged into your Google account. So as you can see, I'm logged into my Google account. And once you're logged in, go ahead and click manage your Google account. So click on that. Now look at the left side and from the options, so look for data and privacy and make sure you click on that. So once you click data and privacy, from the options, you need to scroll down and hover over review and delete your history, then click view my activity. So make sure you click view my activity, and once you click that, so once it loads, scroll down and you'll see all of your activity in here. So as you can see, it says no activity on my side because I've already deleted it. So just go to filter by date, and at the left side here you'll see delete button. So what you need to do is to click on it, and here you can choose the time frame. So let's select all time, for example. So once you select the time frame, you would have to choose the history that you want to delete, or you can select all at the top. So you should see select all button in there, and once you click that, just click on next and click on delete, then confirm the action, and that's basically it. So that's how you can delete Google search history from my activity. And that's it. Thank you for watching.